Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the tub pulley in your front load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the 6 screws securing the rear access panel. The bottom screw doesn't need to be fully unthreaded. Set the panel aside. Note the position of the tub belt on the motor pulley, then rotate the tub pulley to help remove the belt. Use a support to prevent the tub pulley from rotating, then use an 11/16" socket or wrench to unthread the mounting bolt. Detach the old pulley from the tub shaft. Install the new tub pulley by aligning it on the shaft. Secure the pulley, then thread and tighten the mounting bolt. With the groove side facing inward, realign the belt on the motor pulley, then loop it onto the new tub pulley. Rotate the pulley to help align the belt. Reinstall the rear access panel. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and your front load washer should be ready for use.